Last night, them kill my uncle innocently. Them drive past him last night, spin back the jeep on him, turn off the light and speed back on him. Start fire, be a shot. Them corner him up in a one open land right there, where him a build up in business place. Him just lock in business place and I come cross the road. When them come and attack him, when them fire the 2 shot them first, him said to them, so you're gonna kill me, what me do no? You're gonna kill me? Him never have no gun, him never have no, he was clean as the day, him bad. Them start beat him. When them start beat him start wrestle with them, him jump out of the jeep because them shot him twice, one in his shoulder. When him jump out of the jeep, one soldier girl start kick him up in the jeep and them start use the gun and beat him. Same time, them speed off with him when them sister the wall away. When them sister the wall away, I run down upon them jump up, them start fire, be a shot off away, and spray pepper spray. Then them speed off with him. You see, by the time we get a car, I reach round there, so I reach right on the back road, which for 7.
No man's land.
Run a no man's land. By the time we reach what the police station is the name?
7th Street.
By the time we reach our 7th Street police station, the car shine the light on the police van. So we speed up on them. By the time them see them say curse out in this language and say I'm from Billy them this them lift him up off of the ground, them leave him here so very, very active and alive. Them lift him up off of the ground and throw him in the jeep. With him neck bend over upon the jeep. Yes, when them see who flicker who phone and start video it, them start spin the rifle to the car, so we end up have to go around them. When we go around them end up start drive down and lick the car because them a try grab my phone. When we reach a public with him, I will start video them to them. Cannot do nothing down a public, then take out the pepper spray and say, hey girl, you no go in the yard and something. One of the officers them, sir, this is his court. You think they're gonna get wet today? When we got tranquility and come back in space of 5 minutes, tranquility reach. Them say them couldn't do nothing because them couldn't help him. Him already come in dead with multiple shot wounds to the head and the chest.
Alright. I don't buy my house, everybody call me. I come out here, so I say, Emilio, the police them have him all on pan him. Run go down there, see him side blood up. Him never handcuffed at the time. He might fight back and I said them are gonna murder me. They might try putting some soldier was there too. They might try putting him back in at the Jeep, but him no one go in. Turn and say, I come with him now. Mama come with him. Them say no, I'm for move. What's in that? And when them do get him in the jeep, them handcuff him. Everybody I say like how them handcuff him, them not doing nothing. Them handcuff him and him still a fight. I say these second now, settle, just settle yourself, man, settle. Him sit down in the back of the jeep. When me there, I look here, the lady I said, she a shout out and I said, don't make them carry him down and nobody no go behind him. The other police guy said, up and go on with him. When me there and him friend come and I tell him friend go for the car, spin it fast. By the time we come out, him a say, him a go station. I say, I see my bleeding and I say, alright, a KP I bring him. Come we take the way here so we reach on there fast. When we reach 7th Street where the police station there and I go up on the lonely road to the garbage, you see the 3 Jeep them. So me I look good now, me I say, no the Jeep that when them realize see how we, the one at the back say, family them that's you know. Other one hurry up and like him throw something in the van and lock it so the heap of blood a run down. Throw it in, throw him in. And hurry up, the 3 Jeep them not even come behind. 1 Jeep. Me turn and say, hurry reach down there before them. Because by right them should have reached long before because them left here so with him. So when we are driver go down with him, the police Jeep lick up in our car and try to get off of the road. Mash up the man rear view mirror, the man mirror and something just because them want to reach. By the time we and them reach on the almost same time, them are take him out dead.